Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram not sending code error. So let's get into it. Number 1. Make sure you're entering the correct number. Before thinking about why Telegram is not sending codes, you need to confirm whether the number you entered for signing up is correct. Number 2. Make sure your SIM card has a proper signal. Well, Telegram sends the sign-up codes via SMS, hence if the number has a poor signal, it might be an issue. If network coverage is an issue in your region, you need to move to a location where the network coverage is fine. Number 3. Receive sign-in code via call. If the SMS fails to reach your phone number, you will get the option to receive the code via phone call. To access the phone call verification option, tap on the Didn't Get the Code and select the phone call option. You will receive a phone call from Telegram with your code. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.